Luna needs help. Big river. Can you help me build a boat? First step, strong log base. Perfect log. Boat starts now. Side supports next. Sticks for walls. Line them up. Vine ropes hold tight. Twist, twist, vine magic. Unicorn helps with leaf sail. Biggest leaf, sail power. Sail catches wind. Rocks for balance. Front rock, back rock, steady. Captain Luna's paddle. Steering stick, ready. Big launch time. 1, 2, 3, push. Halfway across, steady. Row, row, row my boat. Safe landing, success. We crossed the river. Best DIY team ever. You help build this. Like, subscribe, build with me.